In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok Shop product not showing. If you've added items to your shop, but they aren't appearing on your profile or in the product showcase, the most common reason is that your TikTok account isn't properly linked to your seller account. I'll walk you through exactly what to check and how to fix it so your products can display correctly. Start by opening your TikTok app and going to your profile. This is where your product showcase or shop tab should appear. If you don't see your products here, don't worry. That simply means we need to confirm the connection on the seller side. Now, open the TikTok Seller app. This is where your shop settings live, and it's the control center for syncing your product catalog with your TikTok profile. Once you're in the Seller app, look for Settings. It's usually in the bottom navigation or under your profile icon, depending on your version of the app. Inside Settings, tap on Account Information. This section tells you which TikTok account your shop is linked to. For your products to show up in your TikTok shop and be eligible for tagging in videos or live shopping, the Seller app must be linked to the same TikTok account you use on your profile. On the account information page, check for your TikTok handle and a clear status indicating it's connected. If you see an option like Link or Connect, that means the connection hasn't been set up yet. Go ahead and tap that, then follow the prompts to authorize the link. This ensures the Seller app can sync your catalog to your profile. Make sure you're using the same TikTok account you opened at the start, especially if you switch between multiple accounts or manage more than one shop. Once the link is active, head back to the TikTok app and revisit your profile. Your shop tab or product showcase should start reflecting your items. It can take a short moment for everything to sync, so if you don't see changes right away, simply give it a minute and refresh your profile view. That's it. To recap, check your profile in the TikTok app, then go to the TikTok Seller app, open Settings, tap Account Information, and make sure your TikTok account is linked there. With that connection in place, your products will be able to appear in your shop as expected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your TikTok shop products showing correctly.